Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 6 divided by 1 over 6 times 6. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 6 and this 6. So here we have just 1. And 6 divided by 1 equals 6. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, we have one division and one multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, as I said, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 6 divided by 1 over 6. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And here we have times 6. 6 times 6 gives us 36. So 36 times 6, okay? 6 times 6 gives us 36. So we write 6 here and carry 3 here. 6 times 3 equals 18, and 18 plus 3 is just 21. So we have 216, and this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 216.